20 great business video ideas. Video is a key component of modern business marketing. It has a high conversion rate, good ROI, and it gets clients engaged with your brand. Video performs exceptionally well on websites, social media, search engines, events, and most other marketing channels. Despite all this, some businesses are still reluctant to get into the marketing video production. Fears of high costs, production difficulties, lack of talent in marketing departments is holding companies back wholeheartedly from adopting video. We believe that most of these fears are unfounded. Thanks to online video creation tools, any business can produce effective marketing videos without breaking the bank. It's just a matter of figuring out a good business video idea and then assembling a video on your video creation platform of choice. To help you get started with business video production, here are 20 business video ideas to include in your next marketing campaign. The explainer video. Pick a topic that's relevant to your customers and clients and explain it in detail on video. Explore the topic from different points of view, how it relates to customers, what it means to your business, and how it is perceived in the media. Include a CTA for viewers looking for follow-up information. How-to videos. Use your industry expertise to explain how something works. It can be a common procedure such as how to set up a Google AdSense, something related to your products and services such as how to install the company's mobile app, or even something more informal such as how to speak at an interview. Tutorial videos. Create a step-by-step guide to teach viewers how to achieve some practical outcome. Teach them how to create a company logo in Adobe Illustrator, how to fill out a tax refund form, how to create a jingle for a product ad. The difference between how-to videos and tutorial videos is in the result. The tutorial teaches a skill. The how-to video teaches a procedure. Make a product announcement. Notify customers beforehand about new products and services with a product announcement video. Include just enough information to make customers curious, and then follow it up with increasingly more detailed announcements as the release date comes closer. Be careful not to mislead viewers by presenting information that is still subject to change though. The product demo. Demonstrate how one of your products works live on camera. Showcase basic functions and settings, give the product a basic test run, and highlight product advantages and compare with competitor products. Try doing both in an unscripted take in the real world and one in a controlled environment such as a recording studio. Combine footage from both in the final video. Number 6, the Instagram story. Generate buzz on Instagram by publishing stories. Instagram stories should be brief, direct, pretty, and they should contain a call to action or CTA. They should be light on text, and ideally without sound. Most people browse stories on mute to avoid getting their eardrums pierced by random clips someone has posted from a rave. Tip number 7, video podcast. Record a podcast covering relevant topics in your industry. Invite industry experts to share their knowledge and share your own experiences. If you only have audio recordings, add stock footage to make the video more dynamic. Or better yet, play a casual video game in the background while talking. Business idea number 8, news roundup. Explore the latest industry news and analyze what they mean for your business. Include clips from YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, and other social media. And talk about what's happening and what it means. Publish on a weekly or even daily schedule. People watch the news daily, and you want to become a part of their media diet. Idea number 9, stop motion video. Stand out from competitors by using novel animation techniques such as stop motion in your business videos. The stop motion technique involves repeatedly taking images of a scene while making small changes each time. When you string these images together, you will create the illusion of movement. Use stop motion for product videos, explainers, and other content based on physical products. Idea number 10, the testimonial video. A good way to generate positive buzz around your brand is to let your customers do the talking for you. Do this by creating a video testimonial where customers share their experiences with your business. Thanks for watching part 1 of 20 great business video ideas. Click part 2 to get 10 more, and don't forget to like and subscribe.